Clear above 9,500, 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks. Jeez.
Make sure you're strapped in.
I am.
Ooh, in the water. Cheers. Mimosas, rooftop bar in Monterey. It's boogie again. So I was trying to watch the Georgia game because they're playing Arkansas. Go Dogs.
Gotta go.
So we gotta go. Where are we going, babe?
Napa, but first stop is Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz, Napa, loading up. Time to go. We came for the boogie board competition, babe. We made it.
Like, I feel cold right now, so no, they're cold. It's going for it. It's going for it. Run. Yes, buddy. It's so, like, satisfying to watch.
Where are we going?
Half Moon Bay.
What's in Half Moon Bay?
Beauty.
Alright, so we're leaving
Baby,
Santa
you're taking
Cruz.
Beauty to Half Moon Bay, so it's like taking sand to the beach, you know?
Oh,
It's like
there you go. And taking Beauty to Half Moon Bay. So we're going from Santa Cruz to Half Moon Bay and then where?
Napa.
Okay. Lego.
Lego.
Alright, babe, where are we now? Coming up on?
The Purisima Creek Redwood Preserve.
Redwood Preserve.
We're almost,
We found some big redwoods, y'all. I have Jaime standing next to it for a size comparison.
It's a big boy.
We found California, y'all. There's skaters.
It's just in the fog.
Yeah, it's all fogged out. There's tons of surfers out there in the water waiting on their waves.
They have to wait. Bristol wave.
We're in Frisco. These are houses.
I don't know. They
A
look like
ton of cars. There's
a lot of traffic.
There's a lot of traffic in
For
San
a
Francisco,
Saturday.
guys.
Babe, we just drove over the Golden Gate.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
See it right there? Or not so much?
Hey, we're in Sonoma.
Wine country. We made it to the promised land.
Upgraded our room and she hasn't seen it yet.
I haven't even, no. I don't even need to see it. I just
Here we
know.
go.
I'm never leaving here. Oh my gosh, babe, this is so beautiful.
Look at this place.
Babe, can you write the kids and tell them I love them, but I'm never coming home. Never, never, never. Oh, this is our balcony too, babe. Look, I thought it was a shared
This is
one.
a legit
When
place.
I saw it. This place is huge. Holy shit. Look at this bathroom.
Wow, look at this.
Babe, look at this bathroom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We made it.
Wow.
This place is fabulous.
Holy crap.
Babe, we upgraded you.
Babe, I'm
You deserve it.
never leaving here.
You deserve it.
Oh my gosh.
So,
So beautiful. Look,
if anybody's wondering,
did you see the view?
we're at, what's the name of the place? Vista Colina Resort in Napa. And you found the bottle of wine that they had hidden for us.
No, they didn't hide it. They put it right here and said, have a bottle of wine on us. So, I mean, I'm not gonna be rude. I'm a good guest, is what I am.
I want to go eat.
I know, but I have to change into a dress.
Walking to dinner at our fancy schmancy Napa resort. What's the name of the place we're going to, babe?
Olive and Hay, I think.
Olive and Hay.
That's right.
It's supposed to be an Italian restaurant, I believe.
Italiano.
You look very beautiful. You got your new shoes from California
I didn't have my new shoes.
that she bought.
My boogie.
Some 6-inch heels because she left her shoes in Illinois.
They did not lie. They called it the big Italian salad. They were not joking.
It's huge.
I did give him all my salami.
Look, I have a salami, pepperoni, sausage pizza.
No cheese.
Yum. Jamie's still sleeping. We're still in Napa, and I just woke up to come outside. Look how peaceful it is here. I did make her coffee, but she's not budging. Look who's finally awake. Good morning. Glad you woke up by noon. It's 12 o'clock our time. Where are we going, babe?
To the winery.
What
The
winery?
castle. It's in St. Helens. We have a little bit of a drive. Need to get some waters, maybe a Red Bull. Babe, are you ready? Are you ready to taste some wines?
I'm ready to taste some wines.
Okay.
Place the castle. And here's our wine tasting spot. Are you excited, babe?
Yes. In the fermentation room. That's crazy. I know you're not. It says guided tours only, but.
Oh. Wow. Where the magic's made.
Yeah.
Catapult.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a catapult. It launches it.
like an Angry Birds.
Yeah. That's the weight and the stuff goes in there. The view from the castle.
Off with their heads.
There you go. You'd make a good queen. Let's read this sign real quick. Do not feed or pet the animals. And let's go see what she's trying to do right now. Because it probably has to do with petting the animal, which is probably going to nip her finger off.
It has a blue neck.
Yeah, why don't you reach on in there and give it a big old kiss?
I don't think that's a good idea.
The way that it's looking at you. Whoa, look at its eyeballs.
I know. It looks like a dinosaur.
You see the way it blinks? It's weird.
Whoa.
Alright guys, Jaime was pretty cool because she wanted to go to a restaurant, but I was watching the New England Tampa game, so she agreed we could have dinner on the terrace, so we ordered room service, which we don't ever hardly do.
No, this is the first time we've ordered room service this whole entire trip.
But this is what we have. We have some fancy
This is our last night.
Napa food, some fancy wineries, and then there's the sunset over the Napa Valley. All those tents down there are just people that hang out for wine tastings and whatnot.
You can walk through those vineyards up there.
Babe, cheers.
Nice.
Final night in Napa.
Cheers.
Go to the bowling alley at the resort. We just got done watching the New England Tampa game where Tom Brady.
We had to sprint over here so that we could finish the game. So I've been watching it in the hotel room for like 2 hours.
We watched the whole game, and I wanted to see the end. It was a nail-biting finish, so we had to watch it. Now, she's putting on shoes. I got my sweet bowling shoes on, glowing in the dark. And here we are. They have like a 6-lane bowling alley. And the bowling balls look like pool balls here. It's kind of different.
I'm gonna break my nails.
That was warm. Let's see those nails, babe.
I'm gonna break them. I have to be careful.
Whatever. There's no excuses.
I need that 9-ball back, okay? Oh, hold on. Alright, to the left.
Uh-oh. You got a few.
I play a lot better without these.
You got a few.
Without these nails. Oh, you made me miss it.
I got them all. It's a strike.
Strike.
It wasn't pretty, but it was a strike. It's like my landings.
Yeah.
They're not pretty, but they get us down. They shut the lane down on us. Babe, who won?
Well, you won like most of the games, but the last game I was winning and then the game shut down. So what was about to happen was a TBD. TBD. I just found my mojo.
All right, let's go.